Among the dozens of bizarre artifacts at the State Street Christian School is the 13th Street River Rock, a memento of Sunday, May 29th, 1983, the day that no one in Salt Lake went to work or church. The winter of 1982 to 1983 saw record high precipitation and long lasting and freakishly low temperatures. The entirety of the Wasatch Range was packed to the brim with snow. Parley's Peak experienced over 700 inches of snowfall, more than double the average of 325 inches. The last week of May, temperatures spiked into the high 90s and snow began to melt, and it melted fast. Within a day, Mountain Dell Reservoir had surged by over 5 feet. Workers toiled through the night to cut 2 3-foot deep channels into the asphalt of I-80 to divert water from the creek. Water surged down 13th South from Parley's Canyon. City Creek burst free from its bed. Salt Lake City Mayor Ted Wilson was quoted as saying, "After a brief description of the situation, every priest, every bishop, every minister, every rabbi, every leader agreed the ox is in the mire. Businesses shut their doors, and church services were canceled. In the end, over 10,000 volunteers sandbagged a river from Memory Grove Park to meet the Jordan River at 600 South." Temporary bridges were erected overnight for cars and pedestrians at a cost of $10,000 each. Not a single home or business was lost or damaged due to the flooding. A testament to the quick and hard-working public of Salt Lake. Being Utahns, once the city was safe, citizens got back to their outdoor sports in a new and exciting backdrop. "13 days later, it ended as quickly as it began. 325,000 sandbags were hauled away, bridges were torn down, and life returned to normal.